Welcome to Stratton Car Company near Upfield, East Sussex. Here we have an April 2006 Volkswagen Fox. This vehicle is a part exchange to clear and is sold as seen, spares or repairs. This doesn't mean that there's anything wrong with the vehicle mechanically, it just means for various reasons we are unable to provide a warranty. In the instance of this Fox, it's because we cannot verify the exact mileage as the display has started to fade. At the last MOT, the mileage was 85,012 miles. There are a couple of little marks around the car, a few stone chips as you'd expect, a few little minor car park dings which have not broken through paint, and a few little scuffs. This is the near side front bumper corner, tiny little scuff, and the near side rear quarter has a dent and a scratch. Otherwise it's a pretty clean car. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch and we'll do our best to answer them. Thank you.